My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. On this episode, we continue working on the V8 go-kart. Welcome back, everybody. So last time we got this side all done. This side's about halfway, 3/4 of the way done. So we're gonna finish this side, and then we're gonna weld the bar along the back here to complete the area where the engine is going to mount to. But first, let's address the elephant in the room. This thing's going to have 300 horsepower, and it's designed to have 3 to 5. So I understand this thing could be very dangerous, and I appreciate everybody that is commenting and cares about my safety and well-being. I appreciate that. I'm glad people care. I am going to try and be safe. I'm going to try and plan it out where there's a couple redundancies if the throttle gets stuck open and stuff like that. I'm working on it as I go, so I haven't got everything figured out yet, but I'm gonna try and take it one step at a time before I get in it and just floor it down the road. So I appreciate you guys' concern, but I'm gonna try and be safe. So let's get back to the work, and maybe we can get this thing mounted by the end of the week. So I was cranking along last night, busting my butt. Somehow a clip got deleted here. I've got this all welded in and ground down. I welded the black pipe to here. So that's all done. And then I've cut this pipe just to length. We still need to kind of notch the front half of it here, like we did over here, so it fits over everything. So I'm gonna do that and then drill the plug welds. We'll hammer it over and we'll start burning that in. Alright, so I cut out what I didn't need. I've cleaned it up a little bit too, so it'll hopefully slide on. So we're all ready, aside from the plug welds. So we're gonna make some holes in here to plug weld, and then we'll slide that over and weld it on. I got it about halfway welded up. I'm gonna just take a break, let things cool down, let my welder cool down a little bit. But we've got it burned in a little. I'm gonna, while that's cooling off, I'm gonna try and maybe get these cut to the same length. I think they're close, but I wanna get them the same, and then we'll start working on getting the bumper in. And we'll just bounce back and forth. We'll work on the bumper a little, weld that some more, work on the bumper a little, until we get it all in there. Okay, I got these pipes evened up. I've cut the rear piece. We're gonna have to just cope it, or whatever you call it, notch it in there, and then we'll weld that on. I'm gonna weld this some more now that it's all cooled off, the welder's cooled off, and then I'll start notching that in. All right, I got this one all welded in. So these two are now complete. I cut a piece to fit here, and I need to notch it into here. The more I notch it in, the more weld we can get on there. So it's gotta be notched in at least a little bit to get a good weld and make this strong. So I'm not great at that. I'm not an expert. I don't have a notcher or anything. I think I'm gonna cut a V in there with the cutoff wheel the best I can, as even as I can, and then just scoop it out. And hopefully it'll fit this nicely. I'm gonna work at it a little bit and try and get it nice. All right, I think that's up to my standards. Looks pretty good. I'm not an expert or anything, but I think that's good enough for the tools I'm working with. So let's burn it in, and wow, then we got the back completed. I think it looks pretty good. Should be pretty strong, I'm thinking. So that's the look I was going for. It still looks very much like a go-kart. It doesn't look severely altered. And then we're gonna strap the big old V8 back there. So the next step is we need to get this gear over all the way, because that'll give us more room when we're fitting the engine in here, which seems to be coming up pretty soon. So I'm happy with what we got done. This whole back is finished. It seems super strong. So I think that's gonna work out really well. That's it for tonight. I'm exhausted, I'm out of time. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate all the support. I'm making a video every single day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. I got a video right here on why I want to do that. And just thank you guys again. I appreciate you tuning in each day. I will see you tomorrow because I'm making a video every single day.